All right, guys, we got an awesome product here. This is TIKOCAT's 2-in-1 pet nail grinder kit. About to have a ton of fun with it. You have 4 bright LED lights, 6 adjustable speeds, upgraded motor, so it's 40% faster and awesome. Perfect for cats and dogs. Powerful, effective grinding. We're about to get in it. Clear, speed, and battery display. Let's go ahead and open it up here. So you do have a USB-C charging port. She's super excited. She's like, is this for me? And you better believe it is. Right off the top of the bat, you have a little how-to guide. You have your USB-C charging cable right there. You have some different grinding wheels. So when they go bad, you're able to do that. And then it looks like a little cover. Let's see what that is. In the unit, we got the big old unit itself. Let's go ahead and open it up. That's cool. Okay, let's pop this off to the side. Yep, she wants to hop off. Oh, that was easy. That was absolutely easy. Check that out. So let's go ahead and see how this thing works while she gets her brought back over here so she can have a little bit of fun. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so we have the dust cup. That's what we're looking for, is the dust cup to go on it. You're going to pop this guy on, I do believe. Should pop on here. Let's go ahead and see. Does that pop off? Let's see. Dust cup times 1. Let's see. How do we do this? We got a charging port. You rotate it from the bottom. Look at that. RPMs all the way up. You got 6 different levels. You do have a light here that you can turn on the light. Looks like there's a light up top, which is super, super nice and easy. USB-C charger on the side. And then there we are to make it happen. Guys, let's go ahead and see if we can put it to use here on how to make it happen. Flip this around. Get our understanding. Okay. Small port, dust covers. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Okay, so it's going to go side. We're one from the side. All right, here we go. So pop this bad boy up. Let's get into these toes, these beautiful little toes that you got here. Check out these little toes. Her name's Nolan. She's about to have fun. Probably not used to this. So we're going to just start her on level 1. You get used to it? No, it's okay, girl. And then all you're going to do.
Does it like vibrate?
Oh, yeah, that's simple.
That's nice.
That's cool. Look at that. That was easy. And this is not anything too crazy. Very easy to use. Definitely digging that. And then, like, honestly, there's a little shield here. She might be a little scared. There's a little shield, so you're not going to get the toe too far in there. And then you can see we've already just easily just kind of ground it down just nicely. And that takes care of everything. Guys, this is super cool. Let's see. So kind of up the ante.
I don't think she.
Yep, she's not happy about that. Did not like the speed getting up, but that's okay. This is super, super simple to use. So definitely awesome. Got a cool little warranty with it. You can take off the top here. Look how easy that was. So now if I want to actually change it up, I can do that as well. Guys, this thing is super sweet. We definitely need to check it out.